Hey team, it's Family Chill Time, and today we are doing another art time tutorial and we're learning to make stickers. I've become a little bit obsessed with making stickers over the last couple weeks. They're fun, they're easy, and it's super affordable to make your own. Today we're going to make this Family Chill Time ducky logo. As you know, we love new duckies, and we've been playing around with some new logos for our channel, and this is one of them. So let's get started. To start, you're going to need just a plain piece of paper. You'll need some tape. What I'm doing right now is I'm just kind of planning the size, the maximum size my sticker can be. This is just clear packing tape. I've got parchment paper, some scissors, an eraser, and the markers I'll need to complete my design. So to get started, we just simply sketch our design. So to create this new ducky logo, you're going to start with 2 parallel lines. Parallel means that they never meet, so I've got a little bit of a curve to them. I'm going to connect them on both sides to create this rectangular shape, and I'll extend this line a little bit. That's the T for our family chill time. From there, I'm going to do an ellipse. It's like a squishy oval all the way around. And I'll add the FC in blocky print to create the family chill. Up here, we need a little bit of ducky fluff. And the ducky that we have in real life has 2 little nostrils. So I've got the overall design. And from here, I'm just coloring it in. I'm using some Crayola markers. You don't need to be too fancy with this. So I realized in my last art time video, it was way too long. And I also realized I was drawing really lightly. I realized that that was part of the technique that I was showing you, but still, it was way too light. Alright. Now I'm going right to the edge with my coloring, and I'm going to fix it up with a permanent marker here. I'm just using a regular fine point Sharpie, nothing fancy. I like my outlines to be quite dark and thick, especially that outer edge. So I'm going to go back over with a second coat of my Sharpie. Alright, I've got the basics of my design done. Just thickening my letters a little so they look a little more like eyes. And I think we're good to go. From here, you simply need to cut out your design. I like to cut it really close to that black line. And that way I don't have any white edges showing. I've done a couple stickers with white edges, and I prefer it right along the black edge. Unless you're putting it on a dark surface, then in that case I would leave a little bit of a white edge. Like I created one of these for one of Ducky's water bottles, and I wish I had done it with a white edge. If you make any mistakes, like I cut a little too close here, you can always go back in and add a little more of the outline. If you're doing a design that has a lot of fine detail, you may find that it's easier to use an X-Acto knife. Just make sure you're being safe, especially if you've never used one before. Maybe get some help or watch another tutorial video. From here, I'm just erasing some of the sketch lines. Oops, I bent my sticker. And I'm going to take a look at it again on top of my white paper just to make sure it's exactly the way I want it. I think that looks pretty good. From here, it's another really simple step. I've got a piece of basic parchment paper. Again, nothing fancy. I'm going to start by getting my tape ready. I can never find the end of these rolls. Oh. I'm going to place that nice and flat on my parchment paper. And on top, I'll put my ducky design. And I'm going to sandwich it between another layer of tape. And from here, I'm going to sandwich it between another layer of tape. Again, you want it to be nice and flat and smooth. I like to really push the edges all around to make sure that it's firmly stuck together. And last but not least, I'm going to cut it one more time, but this time I'm leaving a little edge of parchment paper showing. Not too big, not too small. And that's where the sticker will stick, and you need that edge showing or else your 2 layers of tape will come undone. Now I was much more precise about my first cut. This cut, I'm just doing a general outline. And there we go, we've got a little sticker. It's ready to be stuck to whatever you want. When you're ready, you just peel off the backing and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you make your own stickers. Let me know in the comments what other kind of sticker designs we should make.